So I'm only going to use 2 cups of flour. I don't think I'll need more than that. So I'm going to sift this flour so it's nice and light and fluffy because I want a fluffy biscuit. So this is a 1/2 cup. I'm going to use 2 cups, so there's a half, 1, 1 1/2, 2 cups of flour. Let's go in here. Let's start 1/2 cup. We'll do 1/2 cup to start with. 1/2 cup. Probably going to take more than that. Just going to use a fork. A 1/2 cup. Probably going to take more than that. Waste. That's a 1/2 cup. So this is 1 cup so far. Not sure if I'm going to use the whole cup. Let's see. And they claim this will give you a perfect biscuit, so we'll see how that goes. I want my mix to be moist, not dry. And it's going to take the whole cup and then maybe more. Got that at 450. Yeah, that's pretty wet. 1 cup of the heavy. Alright, so we're back. Had technical difficulties. I had just enough mix left, or milk I should say, to do a second batch. So I need to use it up. That's what we're going to do. Alright, we're going to put these in the oven and get them going, and then we'll come back and show you how they cooked up very nicely. They're nice, they're tall, they're browned on the bottom, they're soft. Hopefully they're not crumbly. Let's see. Oh, they come apart really nice. Not bad at all. Looks good. So that's our 2-ingredient biscuit that we made with the heavy whipping cream and some White Lily self-rising flour